Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my side part quick weave. So let's get to it. So I'm going to be using this 30-second Salon Pro Weave Molding Gel to mold my hair down. But first, I'm going to moisturize my scalp and my hair using my Wild Growth Oil. Once that's done, I took my molding gel and used it to slick my hair back into 2 cornrows. And of course, I've already washed my hair and let it air dry. You have to make sure your hair is clean and moisturized before you put it under the cap. Next, I took my blow dryer and dried the gel. And notice where my part is. I'm not going to have a deep side part at all. I love a subtle side part on me. So I took my black wig cap, I put it on my head, and I'm going to pull it all the way over my ears and then cut the ears out. So then I'm going to take my black clip and I'm going to clamp my leave out so that way it presses the cap to my head and it separates my leave out from the rest of my hair. This makes it easier when applying the protective bond. Next, I took my Got2b Glue Freeze Spray and I sprayed it everywhere that I'm going to be applying the protective bond. That means do not apply it on your leave out. Next, I took my blow dryer and blow dried it until it was hard. I'm also pressing my cap down around my leave out while I'm drying it so that it's stuck in place. So now it's time for me to apply the protective bond to my hair. This time I'm going to be using the Salon Pro 30-second Moroccan Argan Oil Wonder Wrap. This one that I've been using came clear and I really do like it because I feel like it dries a lot faster. And I'm going to be using my dye brush to apply it to my cap. And again, be sure not to get it on your leave out. I like to really saturate it so that the cap rinses right off with warm water. Once that's done, I apply Got2b glue everywhere that I put the Wonder Wrap so that it dries a lot faster. I sat under the dryer for about 25 minutes until my cap was dry and hard, and then I cut off all the excess cap around my perimeter. So for this install, I'm going to be using my Cambodian wavy extensions that I've already colored, washed, and blow dried. And as you can see, I have a little golden blonde piece in there. I'm going to be applying some gold pieces throughout my install to give it a pop of color. And this is 26, 24, and 22-inch bundles. I took my track glue, put it on the weft of my extension, and then applied it to the nape of my head. And as you can see, I applied it in a slight U shape, and you're just going to keep on cutting pieces and applying them the exact same way going up. Also, all of the products that I'm using are going to be listed in the description. So now I'm at the top and I'm just going to do the same thing, cut, glue, and lay my extensions close together one above the next. On the side that my swoop is going to lay, I'm going to start laying a few of my extensions in a U shape going towards my face because that's how I want it to fall. So the side with the swoop is a deep U shape and the other side is just at a slight angle. So with this next track, I'm going to lay it in an even deeper U shape, closer toward the top of my head, but I'm going to leave a little space so that I can lay about 1 or 2 tracks going straight across. This is for the side of the swoop and the other side, just a very slight angle. And I'm just going to lay one more track exactly like the last one. Time to start adding some blonde pieces. And we're gonna start applying the rest of the extensions, going straight across, filling in the middle all the way to the top of your head. I'm just gonna let the video play so you guys could just follow along. So I'm pretty much done. I'm just basically cutting little pieces and filling in the area beneath my leave out. So my baby girl is just helping me out, letting me know where to place my last track. Now that all my extensions are glued in, I'm going to use Cheese Silk Infusion Serum to straighten out my extensions. I just put a little in my hand, rub my hands together, and spread it throughout my hair. Then I'm going to take my hot comb and run it from root to ends. Next, I'm going to take my comb and my flat iron and slowly run the flat iron down my extensions one little section at a time to get it as straight as possible. After I straighten it, I also run my flat iron back through my hair so that I can get it super straight and silky. Once that's done, I'm going to cut a few layers in the front of my hair. And don't forget to take all your hair to the front and cut it straight across at the ends. This gives it a really neat look when it's bone straight. Now it's time for me to cut off the excess cap on my leave out, straighten my leave out, and do my edges. And last, I'm going to use a little Kenra finishing spray for the hold and the shine, comb it through, and we are done. This look came out super pretty and silky, just like I wanted it. And I'm loving this slight side part. It's really giving off center part, honestly. So y'all, this is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one.